We got her going. The pump is running. I charged the battery up until we got fully charged here, and then just ran, on and off till we got the water running through, burping through. Man, this thing is, she's singing like a sewing machine, like a singer sewing machine, boy. She's just going to town. The exhaust and water real close. They were just both 77 degrees. The EGT is now saying 79, but I got the water out of the cooler here. It's been sitting in here for almost a year, so it was nice and warm. Take a look. It is really moving. I mean, the old pump spreads, the water rushed across here too, but not like this one. So there we go. Moved the temp block from here to here in preparation for needing Dennis's inline thermostat. Then it'll go here. We'll put our probe in his thermostat if need be. And there you go. We'll get it tidied up after we have some lunch. I like it. I like it a lot. I think this is the ticket. See you, folks.